How to buy BABYSHIRO, the BABYSHIRO Neko token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So this is their X account. Make sure to take a look on it. They have enough community. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go and find it on the screen, or if you don't have an account on it, just go and make an account. Now, as you can see, the liquidity is 100% locked. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Now, this kind of token that came under Solana network, it's easy to buy it, and to buy it, just use the Phantom wallet to buy it correct way. Now copy the token address and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click on here and paste the token address as you can see to find the right token. Now after that, click on it and now type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will receive of this token. Now after that, of the provider, select one of these, for example Jupiter. Now after that, click on swap and they will redirect you to Jupiter page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the SHIRO or BABYSHIRO token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.